Wamalwa na kanisa nyote hamu. Mahali tunasema our senator, our choice. Moja tu, we want to tell the president not to take our country to the dogs. The Hague files are still there and open. And the use of goons, him being the master of goons, use of police, wajue hiyo ni njia ya Hague. We also want to say no one has a title deed for his or her own constituency, kama vile Kimani Ichung'wah anajifanya ati yeye ako na title deed ya Kikuyu constituency. We are free to go everywhere. Kenya ni moja, and we shall go everywhere, including Sugoi.
Bishop encouraging our people's president, Waziri Matiang'i.